Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay and I am back today with another headband wig review. Now this headband wig came from a store on Amazon that goes by the name of Eayon, so make sure you guys check the description box below for all the details about this unit. Now if you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I show you the construction of the wig, then I let you guys know the details about the wig, a little bit about the company and all that good stuff, and then I finally let you guys know my opinion about the unit. So let's go ahead and jump into the video.
Sipping on some scissors, tipping on some tipping on some scissors, tipping on some tipping on some scissors, tipping on some tipping on some scissors, tipping on some I'm real working the wheel, a pimp, not a simp. Keep the dope fiends higher than the good year pimp. We eat so many shrimp, I got iodine poisoning. Make me sick with all that pitching and bargaining. You say that you a boss, I ain't believing it. You got the money you need, but watch with your Ferrari kid. Take that monkey shit off, you embarrassing us. I got the red from Mr. C, the orange and yellow tusk. Hyper cold down on the hands free phone. The 84 strong on the blades, 20-inch chrome. If you got 16, you can get a visor. I'm choking on that dope, sweet and sipping on that scissor. Some boys scared to float it, some boys they want it. Some boys they joan it, but I be messed up on it. Bro, with the mafia sick, and we ain't about that police. If we gon' get high, we gon' get high, and we gon' house a trick. Two boys all at the mouth, two boys all at the back. And plus that serve have a player man hard all night, and she cool with that. She popped us little X and drank on some more juice. As soon as you stop, it was freaking. She done got super loose. It's coming by three seduce all in circles like Dr. Goose. All that want it get flown, and she on that X and that tutti fruit. $40 for just 1 ounce tussin' Nexus. How it's pronounced. They been sipping and dipping and tripping. Man, I'm about all out. Sipping on some scissors, tipping on some tip.
So as you saw from the previous clip, I showed you the construction of the wig. This wig has 4 combs, one in the back, 2 on the side, and 1 in the front. It also has your adjustable strap, and it has the black strap that the headband goes on top. Now, as you guys also saw, Eayon did send me 2 headbands, and I decided to wear this one because it goes with my clothes for today. So again, this wig is from Eayon on Amazon. This is their kinky curly human hair headband wig. It is 14 inches and it retails for $89.99. So again, the hair texture is Afro Kinky Curly. The density is 150%. The length comes in between 10 and 14 inches. The color is 1B black, which is pretty much a natural black. The wig can be curled, it can be straightened, and of course styled as your own hair. Now, I love me some kinky curly hair because it mimics black women's hair, and as y'all can see, it looks super duper natural, like super natural. It would have definitely been cuter in another color because y'all know how I feel about black hair now, but it is still super cute. And of course, it being a headband wig, definitely good for the lazy girls. Y'all know I'm for the lazy girls, so definitely good for that. Good for on the go when you don't feel like doing your hair. Of course, I'll put the headband wig on. Y'all know how I feel about these headband wigs, okay? I've been doing a lot of them. I'm for the headband wigs, so if y'all haven't hopped on the train yet, hop on immediately because they are pretty good. Again, it is human hair, kinky curly. Of course, I'm not noticing a lot of shedding. It is 14 inches, but you guys know how kinky curly hair is, and curly hair, it shrinks. So I'm sure once it's straightened, if you used to straighten it, it would definitely look like 14 inches. So this is how it looks in the front. So I'm gonna show you guys the front, back, and side. So here is the front. Here's this side. Here is the back. And here is this side. So I did comb it out just a little bit, like picked it out. I didn't want to comb it out too much. So I picked it out to give me a better, you know, a better styling fro, because if y'all saw when I took it out of the bag, it was flat, of course, so we don't want that. So yeah, this wig is super cute. Definitely cute. So I do want to thank Eayon for reaching out to me, asking me to review this wig for them. I definitely like it. I love the hair texture and all of that. So I hope to continue to work with them again in the future. Make sure you guys let me know down in the comments what you think about this wig. Do you like the hair texture, the length, the color, all that good stuff? Of course, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as the post notification bell, so you're not missing a new upload from yours truly. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.